Are you scared to show yourself in front of your camera? Are you scared to speak in front of your camera? In this video I will teach you how to overcome your fears.
Like a Hellcat.
Good day everyone, this is Tips TV and welcome for another video. In this video I will teach you how to overcome your fears in front of your camera. All you have to do is add artificial voice in your video. Simply write down your video script and convert it into mp3 voice file. Yes, no need to talk in front of your camera. Your converted text into speech will handle everything. Now, how you can do that? Like what I have said earlier, you need to write down your video script. Once you have your script, open your browser and go to fromtexttospeech.com. Simply copy and paste your script into the box. Select language. Select voice. Then click Create File. Wait until your mp3 file is finished. Click Download Audio File to preview your mp3 file.
The quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog.
Click the three dots and hit Download to save it to your hard drive. Congratulations! You now have your mp3 audio file for your YouTube video.
The quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog.
If you found this video was helpful, please hit the like and share button. And most of all, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. This is Tips TV signing out. Goodbye.